Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe. As you can see, I'm still on the Christmas spirit here. In Puerto Rico, we celebrate three kings or three wise men. And we also have something that is called Octavitas, which is 8 days after the three wise men, which is January 6th. So we basically celebrate Christmas until January 14th, so there's a long way to go. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a haul that I did from Elfbeads. Elfbeads was having a promo where if you spend at least $125, they will give you a love set for free. They had about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 12 love sets to choose from. And of course, I choose one. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to open everything with you. I also bought a few pieces from their Christmas collection, so I can't wait to see all my goodies. So Elfbeads always have really nice packaging. They always give you a tissue paper. They have the sticker of Elfbeads, which means enchanting, legendary, and fabulous. That's what Elf stands for. And they always send you beautiful ribbon and a note. So I have my note. It says, "Dear Karen, thank you for your support and all the work you're doing. Oh, so sweet. We wish you a magical Christmas from our team. Love, Elfie's team." So I'm very excited to see everything I got. So nice. Look at this Christmas color. So beautiful. So let me take the ribbon out. Maybe I can place it right there. So let's see. We have in here. Okay, so those says thank you. So I am assuming all those are gifts. Okay, so this is probably what I ordered. Oh, there's more. Oh my goodness. So wow, I'm so excited. What else? What else? Wow, okay, this is so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, so I will first open the items that I purchased, which I'm assuming are in here. Maybe one of those is the love set, and then we will go from there. So excited. All right, so I had to rearrange my things a little bit because I needed to have this pop-up red on my table. All right, so let me open my first packaging. I love these little baggies from Elfbeads, so pretty. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, those are my silvers. So I will start with this one first. All right, so this first piece that I'm gonna show you is called Endless Love. It has been for a while on my wish list, and it's those type of beads that they can hug a Murano in the center. As you can see, there's a space right there to put a Murano. You see the beautiful flowers, and then there's also a pearl. You guys know by now that I absolutely love pearls. And you can place this, of course, on a bracelet or on a bangle. It is totally amazing, and I'm so happy that I finally decided to grab this one. All right, so let's see the next piece. Okay, in here I ordered a scale stopper. I actually ordered a pair because my bracelet is kind of smooth at the end, and I wanted to make sure that I have some stopper for it, and this is it. Okay, so here are the scale stoppers on my bracelet. This is the bracelet. As you can see, they have smooth ends, and I needed those stoppers. I had them for a long time on my wish list, and they were sold out, so I'm very happy that I could finally get a pair. So I ordered those, and then I also ordered Mr. Christmas from the new Christmas collection, the new winter collection. Here is Mr. Christmas. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. So as you can see, it's a Christmas tree with Santa's face, and you have the topper, a little star, and then the bottom of the tree. Isn't that gorgeous? So cute. I love beads or charms that are like what we call character beads, and this one for sure is one of them. So as soon as I saw it, I immediately put it on my wish list. It's so beautiful. Let me show you the back. This is the back. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It will be perfect to design on Christmas. Love it. It's such a cutie. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's Mr. Christmas. All right, so let's go to the next packaging to see all the items that I ordered. I'm assuming here we have a few Muranos because I did order some Muranos, yes. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so here's my first Murano. This one is called Paradise Flower Pulse, and I absolutely love it. In fact, this is a second one that I'm ordering. I have one already, which is this one. I love the pop-up orange, and I have been into orange lately. So because I wanted to sort of balance it out on a bracelet, I decided to get another one, and I'm so happy I did because it's gorgeous. Such a stunning shade, and as you can see, it's called flower pools because you see the little orange flowers sort of in a pool of water. The effect is just amazing. Love the color, love it so much. The next one that I got is also from the same collection, but now in a lavender color. This is called Lavender Flower Pebble, and it's so pretty. Again, I didn't have that many purple beads on my collection from Elfbeads or in general, so I decided to go for this one. It is such a stunning shade of lavender, and I could see that the little flowers, they sort of turned like pinkish in my eyes. So I love this so much. I'm so glad that I decided to pick this one up. Now we have this beauty. This is the first Murano that I ordered from the Winter Christmas collection. It is called Holy Leaves Gold Dust, and it's stunning. As you can see, it has sort of a dark blue core, and you see the gold dust, the little flecks of gold swirling in the center. I love this so much. So that's like, leaves. Those are leaves, right? Very reminiscent of Christmas. So I'm so happy I decided to get this. As you can see, this one is a clear one. The flower pool, it's not that clear. It's sort of like a beige color of orange. And then the lavender flower pebble is also more lavender in the center, but this one is clear. Such a gorgeous bead. And the last piece I ordered from the Winter Christmas collection is this beauty. Look at how stunning this is. Gorgeous. The name of this one escapes me right now, but I'm gonna annotate it right here for you to see. As you can see, it has white base, and there's a Christmas tree, even with the little star on the topper. You can see the little ornaments, different colors of orange, green, and blue. Gorgeous. And you have 3 of those, 3 Christmas trees. I was tempted, this is the side view. I was tempted to order another one, but resisted. So maybe next time, but I love it so much. So once again, here are the 4 Muranos I ordered this time. 2 from previous collections, and then 2 from the new Winter Christmas collection. How beautiful is that? Love them so much. All right, so let me put them right here. Now let's open the ones that say thank you. Here we have the set, the love set that I decided to get. Let me tell you, there were so many gorgeous ones. Gorgeous. There was another one that had some blues with a silver bead like this one. That one was gorgeous as well. It was so hard to pick. I had to go for this one, of course, because again, the silver bead has a gorgeous pearl. Oh, this is stunning. It will be so fabulous to design with. And, even like wearing it like this, it will be amazing on a bangle or on a bracelet. So I'm very happy with my love set. Look at this one that attracted to me so much. The one with the white core and the gold. So beautiful, even to design with some Pandora two-tones. It will be amazing. And look at this one with the yellow. Oh, so gorgeous. Maybe this one are those ones that have some oil on it. So yeah, I'm super excited for my love set. So let me open another one. My goodness, oh my gosh. They sent me the new winter set. Oh, this is fabulous. All right, so here is that gorgeous winter deal set. Oh, it's so beautiful. These are 5 matte Muranos. So you have this one, which is a dark shade of blue. This one, second one is orange, a white clear one, yellow, and then green. Oh, look at that shade of green. So different and fresh for Christmas. It's so beautiful. And of course, you can wear this with many designs. So nice. This is their side view. So they're totally opaque because they're matte. Oh, thank you so much, Elfbeads. This is going to be fabulous to design with. Gorgeous. Okay, so let me put them right there so we can open another packaging. Wow! Oh my goodness! Thank you so much, Elfbeads, for sending. All right, so here they are. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. These were brought back to Elfbeads because I think these were from previous collections, and I'm so happy that Elfbeads sent this to me. Thank you so much, Mila, because when I ordered Mr. Christmas, I was trying to decide which one of the 3 to order. So, this is amazing. Thank you so much. This first one is called Snowflake 3. And as you can see, it has a bunch of snowflake. Oh, how beautiful. And even the top, the star with those spikes. So many details. And it's sort of like a wider bead, as you can see right there. It is totally amazing. How gorgeous. And this next one is called Merry Christmas 3. As you can see, it is a 3 with like a swirl detail. And it says Merry Christmas. And I believe the Merry Christmas is actually on both sides. Yes, it is. So pretty. And look at the star. How gorgeous. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Elfbeads. These are so beautiful. Okay, so let me place them right here. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. So pretty. Oh, my Christmas tree. Okay, so it's getting darker here, so I apologize if the lighting is changing a little bit. Okay, so let's check the next packaging. It says, thank you again. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, there's even a zebra. How cute. Oh my goodness, they even sent me more pieces from the Christmas collection. How gorgeous. Oh my goodness, these are amazing. So here's the first one. Is one of those whirl beads, which are larger in size. This one is called the Holiday Ornament Whirl Dewdrops Frost. And as you can see, it is a frost because it's matte. And look at the dewdrops. The dewdrops is what Elfbeads referring to those dots, like the raised dots. Gorgeous, beautiful. This one has blue on the left side, red one in the center, and then a green. Absolutely stunning. The next one is called Jungle Ornament World Dewdrops Frost. This one again is a frost, it's a matte, and the dewdrops are in green, so pretty. And I could see a rainbow of colors like pink, orange, and green on the side. How fabulous. These are absolutely stunning. Thank you, Elfbeads. And this last one is called Ocean Ornament World Dewdrops Frost. It is absolutely stunning. Look at the frost, the matte shade. The dewdrops are in this case blue. And then you have sort of like a red wine, blue, and then maybe that's a gray in the right-hand corner. These are amazing. So once again, here are the 3 together. These are stunning. So different to what we are accustomed to see around. Gorgeous pieces. Amazing. Thank you so much, Elfbeads. These are gorgeous. Okay, let me put them right here. And let's open the last packaging. Wow, how gorgeous. These are other items from the Christmas collection. So beautiful. Thank you, Elfbeads. Amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna do these two first. Look at this beauty. Ah, they're stunning. All right, so the first one is called Holiday Treats Stardust. And as you can see, the glitter in the center, that's what they call the stardust. So amazing. The core on this one is a dark shade of blue, but you sort of see like, you know, the sparkles sort of like, representing like a galaxy, right? So amazing, so pretty. And then the treats are the little apples with the red, and look at the white surrounding them. Even the leaves, oh, these are so fresh and different for Christmas. And that's the side view. As you can see, they are clear, and you see even the speckles of the dust around. So pretty. Okay, so let me put this right here. And this next one is called the Poinsettia Flower Twig. It's so beautiful. The flower twigs, the characteristic are of course the raised flowers on it. And this one has a green base, light shade of green for Christmas. And then the flower twigs are red. How amazing. Perfect for Christmas, so gorgeous. And you can see there the sparkles. The work on these are amazing. I just, can't believe my eyes. So beautiful. Okay, so let me place this right there. And the last three pieces I have to show you are this gorgeousness. These are called the Christmas Sparkle Fractal. The left one is Dream. So you have green and light shade of blue. The one in the middle is called Joy with red, pinkish blue. And the one on the right is called Happiness with red and green. And how beautiful are these? They're fractal because of the way they are faceted. So that's the name Elfbeads uses for their faceted beads, fractal. And they're just gorgeous. And I see how much they sparkle because they have glitter inside. These are absolutely amazing. Let me tell you, one of my favorites from the ones that I received, along with those world beads, amazing, so gorgeous. So thank you so much, Elfbeads. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with all these pieces. They're totally amazing. Well guys, that's it for this video. Look at my rod. I cannot even fit everything that I got. It's so gorgeous, so pretty. Thank you so much, Elfbeads. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate having you here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Gracias. Love this so much. So pretty, gorgeous. Love them.